Welcome to Dragonfly Trading. My name is Carrie, and I'm a full-time Elliott Wave trader in the crypto and Forex markets. Today's video is going to be a quick update on Bitcoin. Usually I go live on Tuesdays, but I'm having an encoder problem. The last 2 times I went live, it just shut it down, and I'm not going to do that a 4th time. So I'm working on it, but unfortunately I don't have it fixed yet. Okay, so I'm going to make a short video and tell everybody what's going on with Bitcoin. Remember, this is not financial advice. This is just the way that I see the market, and I intend to trade it. If you are looking to become a professional trader yourself, the link is in the description below for my Discord. I have a mentorship plan. I have plans for everyone. Take a look, and I hope you will join us. All right, let's get started. So if you're interested in the more overall outlook, what the bigger picture is, what do we have left, that can happen, take a look at my previous couple of videos. I went over it in detail. Today is just going to be quick. What is going on right now, right here, and what do we need to do to potentially get that 5th wave that we want? Well, the really only option I see right now where we will not break down further and break this 30K level is a couple of options, and we're going to go over it. First thing I want to talk about is the RSI. On the daily time frame, we need to transition out of this bearish zone, and I talked about this in last video. The bearish zone is from 70 to 0. We need to transition out of it and get up into the bullish zone, which is 40 to 100. In order to do that, we need to hold on to this potential reversal divergence on the daily time frame. We need to hold on to it, push up above 70, come back down, hold the bullish zone, which is between 40 and 50, push back up again into 70, hold the bullish zone. How do we do that? Well, the first way is to get up there for that triangle. We push up for the D wave. That would bring us above 70. When we pull back for E, we need to hold on to 40 to 50. And when we push up for the first wave of our 5th, we would push up into the 70s. That's how it would happen. Okay, that's what we need to happen. So let's talk about what counts are available to us right now. First way we can get up there is that in the middle here, we're making a zigzag. That's either done or very close to being done. I am leaning that it's not done. If it is this count, it's not done, and we are going to get one more rollover because this current movement here looks corrective to me. But we would use the 3 waves of the A, the zigzag in the middle for B, and we would push up for C, which would potentially get us up there for the D of the triangle. If it doesn't, and we come up short, then we are looking at the potential count of the WXY. The X would just be moved over to where the C is, and we would start to the downside for the Y. If we are not making this ABC up, then I see the X is done, and we are starting our way down for this zigzag. How else can we get up there? Well, we have the potential triangle here that would lead us up there. We would use this for A. We're making triangle, B, and we would get up there with C. This leg needs to make 3 waves. All of these have to be 3. And that's how we can get up there. So we need some more price action to fill in here to tell us that this is a triangle. Now the thing about triangles are, if it's a true triangle in my system, you should be able to draw it in the RSI. If you cannot draw it in the RSI, most of the time you don't have a triangle. What you actually have is some type of WXY, and then you usually break in the direction you're thinking, but you usually don't have a triangle. You have a WXY because they're all 3s and triangles are all 3s. But in this situation, we can draw it in the RSI. So we have a very high probability that we could be making a triangle, but we need to keep this shape. So this is the triangle where we can move to the upside. We also have a different way we can look at it, and that is that this is the A, this is the B, this is the C, and we're creating D, and all we have left is E. Which one it is, we can't tell right now. But if it's this one, then what we are creating is the X of the WXY. Because triangles only appear in certain waves, and that's a 4th wave, an X wave, a B wave. Okay? And it can't be a B because it didn't come up high enough. So the only thing it could be here, because I'm not looking at this as a 4th, is an X. But hopefully it is the other triangle, and we're going to move to the upside. All right, just a couple more things here. On the 4-hour time frame, we needed a 4-hour reversal divergence to move this trend to the upside. We needed a 4-hour reversal divergence to move this trend to the upside. I feel here we have this 4-hour divergence, but this to me looks like it's moving correctively. So I feel that this may move up a little bit more, come down, and still give us that reversal divergence. Or this may move up, come down, and give us that reversal divergence. And maybe it gives us a B wave here for the 3-wave move we need for that triangle. Okay? So that is Bitcoin. That is what's going on. And I apologize about the Tuesday TA. Hopefully I'll be back on track next Tuesday. And I hope everyone has a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next one.